How to apply for a Vietnam visa online. Hello friends, welcome to Travel Range. In this video, I will provide you the complete step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Vietnam e-visa. That means you can simply apply your visa sitting at your computer in a few minutes. Besides that, I will provide you with the complete information and guide that you need to enter into Vietnam. So watch the video till the end to make your travel hassle-free. A quick reminder here, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for more travel information. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, if you are from one of these countries that you see on the screen, you don't need any visa for a stay of up to 15 days. But if you want to visit more than that, then you need to have a visa for Vietnam. In addition to that, if you are from Asian countries like South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, etc., you can stay in Vietnam for up to 30 days. Documents. Before you start the documents, have these documents ready with you. Number 1, valid passport. Number 2, passport size photograph. Number 3, card for payment. Number 4, insurance. Now go to official website that you can see on your screen now. We have dropped the link in description as well. Then scroll down on the page. In the middle you will see, for outside Vietnam foreigners, click here. Then click on the Here button. On the next page, check the box at the end of the page to confirm. Then into the first page, click on Picture to upload picture. And then click on the Passport to upload passport. Then fill out all of your personal information. Provide your travel plan. Then fill the CAPTCHA code. Then click on the Review application. You will receive a registration code. Please take a picture or write it down as is mandatory. Then on the last page, click on the Pay e-visa fee and check the box to agree. You will be charged $25 for the visa fee. After successful payment, you will receive a pop-up message that you will receive an e-visa within 3 working days in your mail. Take a print of your visa while you're traveling. Then you need to buy travel insurance to enter the country. There are multiple options. I would highly recommend you to check within your country. Take a print of your insurance agreement with you, as it's mandatory, and you may ask to show it at the airport. So there you have it, folks. If you find this information useful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who are planning to travel to Vietnam. We will see you in the next one.